Okay, I think this works. I think that's a good height. It's always a mystery how much is going to get on. All right, so you can see I put on my Monday best, my favorite Detroit t-shirt. I hope you guys had a good weekend. So the first thing, this is going to have to do with the worksheet. There's one extra problem at the end of the worksheet, and so this is how you solve it, okay? I really want you guys to get used to seeing triangles that are not, you know, put in the way that you're used to seeing them, right? Just because they're not perfectly horizontal or up and down or the way you expect it to be doesn't mean that they're not right triangles. And the same rules apply. So in this one, we have, this is angle B because this is the medium side, right? This opens up to the medium side. This is angle C because it opens up to the hypotenuse. This is angle A because it opens up to the shortest side. So this is side B, right? And in this one, it says angle A is 27 degrees. And my children wish you a good morning. That's funny. And it says find the missing sides and angles. Okay, well, first thing we can do is the angles. It's a triangle, so the total angles have to add up to 180 degrees, right? That's the total. We know two of them, so we have 90 plus 27, which is, this is going to take more than the other thing, 117 degrees. So then we take 180 and we subtract 117 and we get that the third angle is 63 degrees. So that means this angle, angle B, is 63 degrees. That part's easy. The next thing it says is find the unknown sides. So we know in this one that C equals 7, and we know this angle, okay? So we can find side A using the sine function. So sine of A equals opposite over hypotenuse. And we can also find B by using adjacent over hypotenuse, or cosine of A, which equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So we can find both of those using that method, or we can also find one of them and then use the Pythagorean theorem. I think on the worksheet I do the Pythagorean theorem. So here I'm going to use both of these instead. All right, so we have the sine of angle A. So the sine of angle A equals opposite over hypotenuse. So we don't know what A is, but we do know what the hypotenuse is. So now we have sine of 27 degrees equals, shoot, and I'm using my phone right now. Let me look at the calculator, at the computer. All right, so usually I would say use your phone, but I'm going to type in sine of 27 degrees and see what it is. So the sine of 27 degrees is, and we're on, we're on degrees. So it's 0.4539. That's the only part that you have to be careful about when you Google it. You got to make sure. So I get 0.45. Then I put this into the equation. So 0.45 equals A over 7. And so then I just have to multiply both sides by 7. So I have 7 times 0.45 equals A. So roughly half of 7 equals A, which would make sense. So let's see. I have to do this old-fashioned because I'm filming with my calculator. So that's 35. That's 28 plus 3 is 31. So 3.15. All right, so A equals 3.15. Perfect. Now we're going to do the whole thing again, but we're going to use cosine function. And you could, the beauty of these fantastic high quality videos is that you can stop them at any time, right? Pause and go back. So now I'm going to find side B. So I'm going to use cosine of A equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent side to A is B. The hypotenuse is 7. So we're going to do the same thing again, only this time I'm going to say cosine of A on my calculator. And like I said, hopefully I'm finding, let's see, 20, let's see, clear, 20, cosine of 27 degrees, 0.89. Again, if these numbers are wrong, I'm going to have to redo the whole video, so we'll see. So cosine of A equals 0.89 equals B over 7. So now I have to multiply both sides by 7, and I get 0.89 times 7 equals B. So now I just have to multiply that. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 6 is 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 62. Yay! So, 6.23. That's it. So B equals 6.23. And yes, I just counted on my fingers in a video that's going fully public, and I'm a math teacher. But I haven't finished my cup of coffee yet, okay? And I didn't do this ahead of time, so that's not so bad. All right, and it's Monday morning, and I'm really tired. Okay, so now we know B. So A equals 3.15, B equals 6.23, and C equals 7. We have those, and we have our degrees, 63, 27, and 90. So that's it. Da, 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 da.